Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Before I get into sharing the screen, um, some housekeeping items to go over with you. Take 2 seconds. I just started a Discord chat or Discord channel, whatever. I'll link it in the description. You guys could go in there and maybe, bounce some ideas off of each other. I will be posting on there every day, stuff that I'm seeing in the market, potential money making, situations shaping up in the market. And it's all on there and it's all free. Also, at Mr. Green Bar on Twitter. Every morning I post the most important levels on the SPY, on the S&P 500 futures, levels that are so vital to trading. These are support, these are resistance, these are specific trend lines. If you take the right entries, just off of my charts that I'm putting out there for free. I mean, this is all free content. You guys can do really, really well. So it's all out there for you to check it out. Twitter, look in the description, Twitter and the Discord. Trying to think if there's anything else. I think, yeah, last night I had put something that I saw really interesting shaping up with DraftKings. It was hitting a long-term trend line support all the way dating back to October, this trend. So it's been in an uptrend since October, and it's hit this trend line 3 other times. Today was the 4th time, or yesterday was the 4th time that it hit it. So I said, if it bounces off of this line, you can have a very nice trade for you guys. And it did exactly that. And it was posted on the Discord and it was posted on Twitter. Check it out for yourself. I can't go back and do it. So you know I'm not lying. It was there. If you took the trade, awesome. I hope some of you did. I took a trade. It was a very small scalp. I'll still go over it, but this was more of a nice swing trading setup, I guess, or putting on more risk because you're at support and you can always get rid of it, right? If it breaks down and it breaks trend, you could always cut it there, but your entry is so good. That's why I like those setups. So that I posted last night. So hopefully you took advantage of that. So we have the Discord and we have the Twitter for you guys. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. I answer every single question. I started this channel with one goal in mind, and it was to help traders out. There are so many terrible YouTube channels out there. There's good ones, but there's a lot of bad ones with horrendous advice and bad traders. So you gotta watch out what you're watching and do your due diligence. So with that being said, sharing the moneymaker. Yes, we made a profit again today. While it is not life-changing money, I am trading with lower share size. So we're taking 100 shares at a time. I'm scalping and I'm not going to overtrade. One thing I also do not do, trading part-time while I'm owning and running my own other businesses, I don't set a daily goal. I don't set a daily goal for a multiple amount of reasons. The main one is, what if the market is not conducive to either your strategy that day or the overall market is just crap? You don't want to have a goal and feel like, oh man, I have to overtrade today. So anyway, I pulled back once I saw the choppiness. And as you'll see, it was pretty choppy. But since I was working at the time, there wasn't as much I could have done. You know, looking at it after the fact, there was some nice setups. I'm actually going to go in and show you how well respected this price level was. Look at this. Now, this was all found on my Twitter account. Obviously, I said that like 3 million times. I really, really want you guys to sign up and follow because, I mean, this is just really nice stuff. So the price level was 393. What did we bounce off of? 393. This is where you would be going in and taking your, if you trade large caps, you go in there and you take your high beta large cap trades, comfortably going long at this point right here. This is a nice spot because you already know that the market sold off. You know you have support, right? So the odds, the probability, you have to be a probability trader. Not every trade is going to work out. Just know the odds are in your favor. Your edge is good. The probability is good. And you have to feel comfortable taking trades, especially when it's close to a trend line that you've done a lot of your due diligence. You spend time, and this is the trading plan you came up with. You have to have confidence in your trades. So right here was a good, would have been a very nice time if I was not working to go long the SPY. I could have taken call options. And if it didn't go and it broke, which is what happened yesterday, right? It broke my level before obviously coming back. You guys maybe saw my video yesterday. Very frustrating. But this, it didn't even come right back. So this is ideal. I hope that this is here Thursday and Friday while I am going to be full-time day trading because this will be nice. So anyway, off of levels like this, you go into your stocks, whatever stocks you're looking at, and you can feel comfortable going long. Call options on the SPY is also a nice move. Let's see what else. I'll just go over for the heck of it what I was looking at when I went into my and took a small, tiny little scalp on Neo. I am trading the 5-minute candles because in a choppy market, the 5-minute gives you better, I don't know if you'd call it conviction behind your trade, but it just gives you more of a, you know, a whatever, you know what I'm trying to say, but more confidence, I guess you can say, behind your trade. So this happened at, let's see, around 12 o'clock. At 12 o'clock, this was setting up very, very nicely at 12 for the first 5-minute candle to make a new high. This has been very, very, very good to use day trading. The 1-minute candles are great, but if you have backup, you know, have the 5-minute chart on there, especially after a sell-off like this, you had a lot of selling already happen. Now you can have your buying happen because things don't just go like this, right? You get, you know, a drop or you get a nice rally. There's always some kind of retracement that goes on. And that's where you get your entries. So I took the entry over here, first 5-minute candle, felt super comfortable and got about 6 cents or so on this scalp. When I scalp, I go for 6 to 10 cents, you know, is what I usually like to do. Like I said, I'm only doing 100 shares. This will go up to 200. It's going to go up to 300, 400, 500. I pulled back my share size when I noticed about a month ago the market was not cooperating. So that was that trade. DraftKings has been looking strong all day off of this bounce I have right here at the 58 level, and it bounced off to the penny. I mean, just about. Super, super, super strong trend line. This is going to be setting up really nicely for a possible swing trade. You know, it's got to hold this though. So if you look up here on the daily chart, which I'll show you. Let me see if I could back this out. Bear with me. Okay, look at this trend line. This is what I posted on Twitter. So we hit once, twice, 3, 4. It was actually the 5th time that it hit the trend, and we're bouncing off of it. If it stays over this trend line, you have the potential to go test previous highs. Very, very strong chart. This is an excellent chart. It's got to stay over this trend though. Now that it hit it, we got the bounce. Let's see if we could get continuation. So this was a simple scalp here for 12 cents. And then I lost the second scalp. Right here, I stopped out for about 4-cent loss. So I took 7 cents from this one, 5 cents from the other one. You know, if you could take 10, 12 cents from the market every day, just think about it. If you trade 1,000 shares, that's $120 of profit. It's all about staying consistently on the green side of the market. You know, staying over that zero line, and you can always just you know, ramp up your share size and just size up. It's really as simple as that. So, like I said, today wasn't going to be an active trading day for me. We just took 3 trades. I have some other work to do, and tomorrow also will not be an active trading day. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. I'll be on there. I'll be posting on Twitter in the morning in all the important price levels. And then come Thursday and Friday, I will be full-time trading. So I hope you guys enjoyed the recap. And I will see you guys back. Hit that thumbs up for me. And I'll see you guys back on the next video. Take care, everyone.